Hi guys, so for this week's design we're going to do a French manicure. So as you can see, the ring finger I've done with black, but the rest of the nails I'm doing in white. So I'm just going to apply the stencil. We're moving on now to the detail of the nails. So obviously on the black nail you can see I've done the opposite colours. So starting off on every single nail I did the same, just using a silver holographic stripe, as you can see there, and that's like my starting point of the design. Then with a black striper we're going to do some lines surrounding that glitter centre.